Hello friends, this is Vijay from MHS Tilaknagar, Jaipur. I give red carpet welcome to all my lovely friends who are watching this video. Today in this video, I am going to explain some useful idioms with their meanings. So let's get started. Number 1. To wolf something down. It means to eat something quickly. Example. I wolfed down that apple quickly as I was getting late to office. He wolfed down his snakes and went to playground. Number 2. Whatever floats your boat. It means whatever makes you happy. This Friday we are going to the movie. Do you want to join us? I would prefer to go on Sunday. Okay. Whatever floats your boat. I would like to eat ice cream with chocolate and nuts. Okay. Whatever floats your boat. Third, sketchy. It means not detailed, unclear, unsafe. The story in the ABC movie is a bit sketchy. The details about the virus are still sketchy. Fourth, can I put you on hold? It means please wait for something. This idiom is used during a phone call. Can I speak to Mr. Deepak? Can I put you on hold for a minute? See if he is here. 5. Running short of time. It means getting close to a deadline. I need to finish my homework. I am running short of time. 6. It is not the end of the world. It means the situation is not very bad. I failed my internal test. It is not the end of the world. You can take the test again. 7. In the same boat. It means in same bad situation. I know how you feel during this crisis. We are in the same boat. 8. Get alive. It means a way to ask someone to mind their own life. Get off the internet and get a life, boy. 9. A fish out of water. It means a person in a strange environment or situation. LK Vijay was like a fish out of water at the party last night. 10. A bad break. It means misfortune or a serious bone fracture. Tony has lost his job just when he needed the cash to run his house. That is a bad break. Tanya's leg was crushed when the rock fell on it, or really bad break, the doctor said. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye. See you soon.